Hey, welcome to the channel, Kid Showtime. You're the hype beast bartender. And boom, for today we got the Mexican candy shot, y'all, or the Mexican lollipop shot, as some people call it. But this is my version of it. As you can see, we got the rim laced with some chamoy and some Tajin on it. And then inside, ooh, is that goodness, y'all. Lick the outside, take it down. You get some of that spiciness with that little sweetness. Oh, it just tastes just like the candy, y'all. So stay tuned, y'all. I'm about to show you how to make this. Let's go.
I got you, baby. Anything you want to do.
So you're gonna take your plate, boom. All right, then we're gonna hit it with a splash of chamoy. Boom. You don't need that much, it's just for the rim. Then you're gonna take your Tajin and just put it all up in there. Boom. All right. You can see right there. That's more than enough, but oh well. All right, then you're gonna take your shot glass and just circle it up, rim it all up, just like that. Boom. Get some of the extra off of it. Bam, here it is. All right, y'all, so let's make this. You can do an ounce of tequila. All right, then another ounce of that sweet and sour. All right, then another ounce of the watermelon pucker. All right, now time for the hot sauce. This is optional, how much you want to put in there. Let's go. All right, there we go, y'all. All right, we're gonna shake it up. Just pour right in. Oh yeah. Boom. Pour it right in on that one. And then bam.
Anywhere you wanna go, I'll take you, baby.
Very easy to make, very delicious, y'all. Now I'm about to try it. Let's go. Boom. All right, we're gonna go right with the middle one. So boom, take that. Here's a little close up. Let's go. Oh yeah. Delicious, y'all. Oh yeah.